If you think using ChatGPT on your iPhone in 2026 costs money, think again. You can use it completely free, and most people are not even using half of what it can do. In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it on iPhone step by step and how to actually get real value from it starting today. First, download the app. Go to the App Store, search for ChatGPT, make sure it's the official app, and install it. Once it's installed, open it. Now sign up or log in. You can use your email, Google, or Apple account. The free account is enough to get started, so you don't need to pay anything. Once you're inside, you'll see a simple chat screen. This is where everything happens. It may look basic, but this is a very powerful tool if you know how to use it properly. The first thing you need to understand is that ChatGPT works based on how you ask. If you ask something vague, you'll get a basic answer. If you ask something clear and specific, you'll get a much better result. For example, instead of saying, "Help me," say, "Write a 30-second TikTok script about fitness for beginners." That one change makes a huge difference. Now let's talk about how to actually use it daily. You can use ChatGPT to write emails, fix messages, generate ideas, summarize text, or even explain things in a simple way. Instead of opening multiple apps, you can do everything in one place. Another powerful feature on iPhone is voice. Tap the microphone and speak instead of typing. This makes everything faster and more natural, especially when you're on the go. You can literally talk to it like a conversation. Now let's go into content creation, because this is where most people get real value. If you're posting on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, you can use ChatGPT to generate video ideas, write full scripts, create captions, and even suggest hooks. You can say something like, "Give me 5 viral video ideas about motivation," and you'll instantly get ideas you can use. But here's the key. Don't stop at the first answer. Always refine it. Ask it to make it shorter, more engaging, or more natural. The more you interact, the better the result becomes. Now let's talk about learning. You can use ChatGPT to learn almost anything. Just ask it to explain a topic in simple terms or step by step. You can even ask it to act like a teacher and guide you. For example, you can say, "Teach me the basics of marketing step by step," and follow along. Now, about the free plan. The free version gives you access to powerful features with some limits, but for most people, it's more than enough. You don't need to upgrade unless you really need more usage or advanced tools. One important tip is to treat ChatGPT like a tool you collaborate with, not just something you ask once. Ask, adjust, improve, and repeat. That's how you get high-quality results. Another tip is to reuse what works. If you get a good result, save that prompt and use it again later. This saves time and keeps your results consistent. Also, be clear with your instructions. If you want something in a specific style, tone, or format, say it. The more details you give, the better the output. To summarize, download the app, create your account, start chatting, use voice if you want, ask clear questions, and refine your results. That's all you need to start using ChatGPT on your iPhone for free in 2026.